Hi guys, Dave here from Grunt 4x4. Today we're going to show you how to fit a tailgate seal kit to a Mazda BT-50.
Start by ensuring all surfaces are clean and oil-free. Starting at the bottom, place the tub rail seal on the leading edge of the tub with the lip of the seal facing out as shown. Continue by turning the tub seal to follow the contour of the tub profile. Trim any excess as required. Place the long bed seal across the width of the bed as shown, ensuring the lip of the seal is facing out. Fit corner seals flush with the tailgate with the lip of the seal facing away as shown.